Income alone will never make you wealthy. It is the Parkinson's law. Expenses will always rise in direct proportion to your income. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Nung wala akong sasakyan, nagko-commute ako. Tumaas ng onti yung income ko, bumili akong sasakyan. Mataas ang income, pero di pa rin yung mayaman. Dagdagan ulit yung income ko, bumili akong condominium. Kasi nagdagdagan ulit yung income ko, nag-loan na naman ako ng another na bahay. Dati naka-prepaid lang ako, nang dadagdagan yung income ko. Nag-postpaid na ako. So ngayon meron akong monthly obligation. Tumataas yung income ko, pero lumalaki pa rin ang lumalaki yung mga gastusin ko. The Parkinson's law. That is why, sinasabi ko nga po sa inyo, income alone will not make you wealthy. It is about your habit and your mindset. And those stuff, it's not overnight. The only time that you will be able to form a habit if you are doing it consistently. How will you be able to do it consistently if you're surrounded with people na gastador din? It's very essential that you surround yourselves with mga tao na ang mentality is to become wealthy. So you will be able to adapt your practices. And from there, maa-adapt mo rin yung mindset nila.